In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Now select All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google here. Select Google Password Manager. Click on any password you wanna edit and enter your screen lock. Then select Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!